Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to insert title block drawing templates, just like what you can see on the screen, into your model space from the layout space in your AutoCAD work environment. So from my previous video I showed us on how to use the Civil 3D, but in this video you can see here is a drawing template which I actually loaded from the layout space. I'm just going to show you guys how I came about all this quickly. So I'm just going to shut down the AutoCAD and reopen it. So you should have your AutoCAD software and you need to open it. So when it is open, if you have any drawing already, you can actually just work with that drawing, but I'm not having any drawing, so I'll just come to my layout space here. So when you come to your layout space, you will see the layout tab activated. You click on that. So when you click on that, you'll see all of these tools activated as well. So you click on the drop down here, then you click on from templates. You click on that. That is going to automatically lead you to the default available sheets and templates. If you click on this first one, you are not going to see any files in this, so there's no need to click on the first option. So where you will see data template is under sheet sets. So you see for architectural metric, imperial, civil metric, and the rest of that. Okay, I'm going to show you the best one I do work with in my own case. So also under all of this, under the tutorial IAC, you see for this and this and this. So any which one you are interested in, you see a preview, then you can just open it if you are cool with it. However, the best one I do work with is the tutorial IAC for architecturals. Then afterwards I convert and customize it to what suits me. So you can go ahead to click on this tutorial IAC as well, or you can go ahead with any of these options that I showed you guys earlier. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this tutorial IAC. You can preview it, then you can now click on open. It will bring out the layout name, so you select it and click on OK. Then below here, you are now going to see the desized layout. You open it, then you can zoom, extend. So this is the drawing template. This is basically suitable for architects. It's best suitable for their drawings. However, for surveyors, you can also make use of it and just customize it to what suits you. Okay, so in this AutoCAD template, it does not have the not arrow. That's why I do recommend the Civil 3D. If you want to make use of these default drawing template title blocks, just make use of those ones that are available in your Civil 3D. But for your AutoCAD, you won't see that. You need to draw it in your model space manually to insert that. So to convert this from the layout space to the model space, you just right click on this the size layouts below. You right click on that, then you navigate to export layout to model. You click on that. So you can now define the directory where you want it to be saved. So I'm just going to call this template. Alright, so note the folder where it is going into, then you click on save. So it will give you option to open it directly, or you can just navigate to the path where you have it. Alright, so I'm just going to open directly, and here it is. So you can zoom extend. So this is how to load in AutoCAD default drawing templates or title blocks, depending on what you want to make use of it for. So you can see that all of these tests, they are yet to be editable. It says you double click and come to test options to start making all those general adjustments. But for convenience's sake, I did advise you use the explode options to make the test editable. So you just need to select on the object, select it, then you type EX, that is explode option, then you select explode. So when you click on that, you will see all the tests editable. You can edit it to anything that suits you depending on what you want. So you can rescale and go ahead to add other data that you want to add on the title block. So that's how to load in drawing templates in the AutoCAD workspace. If you find this video helpful and informative, be sure to hit on the subscribe icon as well as turn on your notification to keep on getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.